First of all, if you introduce yourself and tell us how important is this International Water Conference?
Alhamdulillah. My name is Sلیمان. I'm from the UK. Very fortunate to be here today. This very, very important conference on water. I mean, first of all, water is one of the most important things in this dunya in terms of our survival, and everyone knows that fact. We all feel thirsty, and we all know the impact of pollution in our water sources. So just on that fact, this conference is extremely important, but I think in terms of the stage of development of Afghanistan, there's a massive opportunity where the technologies are available, but because of certain factors, they've not been implemented, and suddenly we have an opportunity to do all this work. So at this stage, I think it's extremely important to have this conference, and excellent work that people have done. I've really seen the enthusiasm, the bringing together of people, and the connections which are being made. So inshallah, I think it's very important, and inshallah it will have a very good impact on the country, inshallah.
Thank you. Have you seen such a conference held in another countries? How do you predict the result of such a conference?
Good question. So I do attend conferences, especially medical conferences, quite frequently in my line of work. But this conference is slightly different. I think it's really more about developing the nation. The intention is very pure and clean, whereas some of the other conferences, even though it's about healthcare, which I work in, it's a lot of it is more capitalist, about getting your drug out there and doctors prescribing, and it's not, this conference is a bit different. I think it's a bit more about actually really helping the individuals of the nation, and not just lining the pockets of the companies.